guys, it's Riya and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So recently I've been using a lot of coffee products and they are working superbly for my skin. I'm completely amazed by all of these products and that's why I decided to share the products with you guys as well so that you all can try them out. So all of the products that I tried are by MCaffeine. They have come up with their new coffee range. They have a coffee face wash, a coffee face scrub and then a coffee body scrub. And these are all free from parabens and SLS and they are really affordable. Like this huge bottle costs only rupees 450, so it's a really affordable brand as well. So the first product that I tried from this range is their coffee body scrub. And this is one of the best body scrubs that I've ever come across in my life. It contains coffee and coconut as its main ingredients. It comes with a spoon of its own and that is the best part about it. And it's only after using this product that I bought the other two coffee products because I loved this one so much. So how you're supposed to use this is a 4-step process. First thing, you need to get wet. So make sure you do this in the shower and wet your entire body before using the scrub. So the second step is to get all dirty and use the scrub all over your body. So all you need to do is take a scoopful of the scrub onto your palm and start massaging the scrub all over your body. One scoop of this scrub is going to last for both of your arms. The third step is to get all rough. So make sure you start scrubbing your entire body with the help of the scrub and make sure you do it really gently. You don't have to go all harsh with it because it already contains coffee and coconut, which are like the best scrubbing agents ever. And the fourth step is to get clean. So make sure you wash your body with warm water to remove all of the scrub and you will be left with baby soft skin. Like your skin is never gonna feel better than that. It's gonna become so smooth and so soft. So this coffee scrub is extremely useful for the winter season. I love using this 2 to 3 times a week during the winter season and I'm sure I'm gonna be using this in the summers as well. Maybe just once a week or so, but I will be using this because it just helps to cleanse my entire body, remove all of the dirt and toxins that's sitting inside my pores, remove all of the dead skin that's sitting on top of my skin, and it also helps to promote faster cell regeneration. And in case if you have any cellulite or stretch marks on your body, then coffee and coconut are the best ingredients for that, and it's going to help to lighten and fade away all of those stretch marks and reduce your cellulite to a great extent. It also helps to lighten dark knees and dark elbows and to remove tanning since it removes the upper layer of dead skin from your body. So it's a really useful scrub and it is so gentle on your body. I cannot tell you how good it is. And a little bit of this goes a long way. Like one scoop of this lasted me for both of my arms and I'm sure I'm gonna take like 3 to 4 months to finish this off. So apart from the coffee body scrub, I also tried their coffee face wash and their coffee scrub and they've both been working really well for me. So I love using the coffee face wash in the morning. I just apply it all over my face to cleanse my face and it instantly refreshes me up, gives me a boost of energy and kind of wakes me up. It smells exactly like coffee and it does the job of coffee for my skin. It wakes my skin up, helps me start my day all refreshed up. So the best time to use this face wash is in the morning time and that's when I love using it. And apart from that, I also like using the face scrub twice a week during the winters and I shall switch to like once a week for the summer season. It helps to remove all of the dead skin cells on your body. Again, it contains coffee granules which help to scrub away the dead skin from your face. And since it is a coffee scrub, it helps to slow down the process of aging on your face. So that's why I love using both of these products. And don't even get me started on the smell of this entire range. They all smell exactly like coffee. If you are a coffee lover, you might know what I'm talking about. Like I am not a coffee person, I'm not even a tea person, but I love visiting coffee shops only for the smell. Like I love the smell of coffee. That's one of the reasons why these products work wonderfully for me. Also, don't even get me started on how affordable they are. The face wash and the face scrub retail for rupees 349 each for 100 ml of product, which is like really affordable for that quantity. And the body scrub retails only for rupees 450 for 100 grams, which is again really affordable. So that's another reason why I love these products. They are all paraben free, SLS free, cruelty free. They are really affordable. They smell like coffee, which is the best part, and they do the job really well, and over time they are really good for your skin because they contain caffeine, which helps to slow down your aging process, and I believe that's everything that one needs in their skincare products. So MCaffeine coffee range gets a big yay from my side. I loved all of their products and I'm really looking forward to try more products from MCaffeine. I have used their neem face wash in the past and boy, it's working really well for me. So yes, I really love this brand. I'm really looking forward to try more products from this brand. Let me know if you want me to review any products from MCaffeine because dude, I am obsessed with the brand. I love the brand. So that was my video on coffee infused products. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with all of your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the bell icon so that you're notified about all of my upcoming videos. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for today. This is Riya signing off. Goodbye.